This isn't a login speed comparison. It's how much repeated UI work Cypress makes you do and how much of that Playwright lets you avoid. Repeated UI work isn't free. It slows test suits, it increases CI time, and it quietly raises maintenance cost. Most comparisons stop at one test. This video looks at what happens when the whole suite runs. Both tools test the same application, same browser, same machine, same flow. Log in, add items to the cart, and complete checkout. UI work isn't expensive once. It's expensive when you repeat it. That's what separates these two tools. Let's start with Cypress. This is a very typical Cypress setup. Before every test, we visit the login page, we enter credentials, we wait for navigation, then the test starts. This is clear, it's readable, and it works. But this setup runs for every single test. Now let's look at Playwright. Login happens once in global setup. The authenticated state is saved. Every test reuses it. Each test still validates the checkout flow, but the login UI is now skipped. That work is not repeated. Now let's look at the actual numbers. With Cypress, one test took about 1 second, 5 tests about 5 seconds, 10 tests took about 10 seconds. That's expected. Cypress is doing exactly what it's told. Now compare it with Playwright. One test still took about 1 second, 5 tests took around 3 seconds, but 10 tests finished in about 6 seconds. The test logic did not change, only how often the setup was repeated. Linear cost isn't the problem, repeated UI setup is. Here's why Playwright pulls ahead. It logs in once, saves the browser state, and every test reuses it. Cypress doesn't natively do this. Hence, the cost keeps on compounding with the increase in test suite. This is not just a micro optimization, it's a structural difference. That's why the total suite time scales more efficiently with Playwright. Full code is on GitHub. Clone it, run it, and verify for yourself. The link is in the description of this video. If you already have a stable Cypress suite, there's no emergency. Cypress is mature, it's reliable, and it's not going away. But for new projects in 2025, reducing repeated UI setup pays off fast. That's where Playwright has a real advantage. If this breakdown helped you think differently about end-to-end testing, subscribe for more real-world comparisons. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.